Hey guys, so today I'm doing an unboxing. I'm doing a voiceover because I had a moral conundrum. I didn't know whether or not I wanted to even post this video. I haven't really been feeling too good about the hair, and my love for Ali Queen is kind of questionable at the moment. But I figured this video can help someone and some of you guys who are new to the company and maybe curious about this hair. I didn't see many reviews and unboxing of this product that was recent, so I definitely wanted to just show you guys and tell you guys my experience with this hair so far. So this is the Body Wave Virgin Body Wave Raw Virgin Hair from Ali Queen. This is the 24-inch bundle. I ordered 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch frontal, HD frontal to be exact. But right now, a little strange. The unboxing portion of the hair is weird because it doesn't have the normal labeling as it would have. Like normally around the weft, it says virgin hair, and it does not say that at all. Running my hands through the hair, it feels very dry. It doesn't feel like typical Ali Queen hair. I don't know what's going on, and like I don't want to like start a conspiracy or anything, but I really don't feel like I just don't feel like I got sent virgin hair. I don't know where this hair is from. It's supposed to be from Ali Queen, but like, girl, I don't know what the hell this is. The textures are, I guess, accurate, but everything else I don't feel like it's accurate to my experience with this company for so many years. Like the texture, the quality of the hair, the dryness of it, it's just been going downhill. Look at this bundle. The ends on this hair is ridiculous. Like it's so dry. It's supposed to be virgin hair. It's supposed to be soft. And I mean, I can expect a bit of dryness, but this was like a next level. The hair tangles, the hair doesn't straighten well. Like normally, if you have Ali Queen hair and you straighten it, it gets silky smooth. I'm not sure if it's just the body wave that's weird like this. I don't know if the body wave, sorry, is like coarse, but I found this hair to be very coarse and it felt like Remy hair to me. I don't know if I got shipped this by mistake. You know, this is during coronavirus time, and I don't know if like they were just really busy in the factory or not, but there's something really off about this hair to the point where I've contacted customer service. But anyway, I didn't know at the time that it was going to be such a problem. I thought once I co-wash the hair and install it into a wig, it'll be fine. But the bundles, they're all dried. The 20-inch bundle, sorry, the 22-inch bundle was extremely dry. Didn't have any shedding, and they didn't smell bad. They just had like a floral baby powder fragrance. Nothing crazy, but yeah, guys, I don't know what to say. I don't know what else to say about it. It's just, I'm not impressed. But we're moving on to the 18-inch frontal. This is an HD lace. It looks pretty nice. It feels soft. Run my hands through it very easily. It's not snagging. And yeah, it looks nice. It's very light. So when I put it up to my face, the lace does not match. It does not blend in like what you would think an HD frontal would do, but I don't know, maybe that's just how they are. This is my first time getting an HD frontal, but as you can see, like it's a beautifully constructed frontal. It looks nice. It looks like it's already a bit pre-plucked at the hairline, and there are quite a bit of flyaways, but that's kind of normal with Ali Queen. I've noticed their frontals and closures have a lot of flyaways. It's nothing that can't be tamed, but it's just something to be aware of if you don't like flyaways on wigs. It does have a bit of baby hair as well. Um, what else can I say about the frontal? Yeah, it's very full. It feels fairly good, but the frontal is also very dry. This is my future self talking, obviously, and I have constructed the wig already. But I definitely wanted to post this video just to show you guys what it looks like in the beginning, because things can seem all beautiful and all dandy in the beginning, but it turns out like, once you actually install it into a wig, it's not really the case. As I washed the wig, there was a lot of brown coloring coming off of the wig. That makes me think already it's not virgin hair. There's some kind of chemical or coloring process, something that is making the hair turn color, like the water turn color. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a shampoo or a cleanser, but it's still happening, and I've had the wig for over a week now. So buyer beware. This is supposed to be raw virgin hair. I don't know what the raw virgin hair really means, because the research I did doesn't seem to match up with the quality that I received. But this is the unboxing. Hopefully you guys found this helpful.